Man, I'll be picky, but that looks pretty damn good. That's the plan. We're about to go at this. I really have no idea what this really, well, this is onion, I know that, and this is beef tacos. I talked to a man, he said beef. So we'll see what this tastes like. I think this is like avocado sauce or something. I don't know, but we're about to find out if this is good. Should be good. We're in Laredo, Texas at a Love's here. Truck stop, not truck stop, the taco stand is like right up there. It's like a little food truck, and just went up there, got some food, waiting on the load. Got emptied out yesterday. So we're about to see. Let's set. Let's set this down. We're gonna do a little like taste test, I guess we can call it, you know what I'm saying? Fix this up a little bit more so it's straight, but we're about to find out. The man said it's beef, so it's beef, you know what I mean? I like lime on my steak, so that's cool. But we're about to find out. These are like flour, like corn flour tortillas, looks like, and I told him, man, I can't do spicy, so don't do nothing spicy, man. They're kind of hot. Fresh off the stove, man, does not get fresher than this. You got Subway here, but I'm not gonna go Subway. I'm gonna hit up this joint right here. You have to find a damn plate right here. I was hoping for some of those glass bottle Coca-Colas, fresh out of Mexico. But it is what it is. Here comes nothing. Let's see. Well, it's pretty damn good. It's simple. It's very simple. Like no not much going on in it really, so it's good. I like it. But yeah, let's eat this, and then we're gonna get going here in a bit. Hopefully that's the plan. Catch you in a bit. What is up? What is up? Happy Saturday. It's Memorial Day weekend, and we are working. Everybody's on the lake or something, but here we are on the truck. There's not too many people out here really. I don't think anybody else is working, but I got a few things I gotta take care of. So as you can see, I painted some of the frame rails and whatnot. I remounted the gopro, and then we still got a leak. It is what it is. Well, not really. That rear main seal was done three times. Crazy. And now they're finally like, we just need to replace the rear structure of the engine and fix it. I'm like, about time, y'all. I wasted so much downtime. Even the warranty covers it. That's so much downtime. But what we're doing today with this whole mess, we're replacing 2 airbags in the trailer. 2 of them are fairly recent, but the other 2 have cracks in them. And I actually, once you get really close, I heard one of them hissing a little bit, so it's time to go. It's not too bad. You get some jacks. I'm loaded, but I'm not that heavy, so it shouldn't be that bad. Get some jacks, raise this up, and then put the jacks under there. And I mean, usually if you have a bottle jack, which I do have one, I just didn't bring it, you could just jack this up, put a bottle jack and put these under and do it. But if you do not have a bottle jack, if you don't feel like carrying a bottle jack, what you can do is, there's a valve, this fella right here. You unbolt that right here, and you just raise this up or down. It's gonna lower and raise the bags, and then you'll be able to put your jacks under there. So yeah, that's the plan. We're gonna go ahead and get that done, and then we're gonna show you how we go about taking these off. And then at the same time, today we also got to replace 2 hubs on the trailer, which is those guys on that side. They're hissing, and yeah, so let's get this done, and then we'll show you what that looks like. All right, we're recording. I believe my microphone is on. I believe that one over there is on. Took one of the airbags out, and I mean, it's pretty straightforward, really. You have your fitting, you have your hose fitting, which is this fella where your hose is attached. I should have just bought a quick connect brass one, but probably gonna have to go to the store and get a new one, because I think I messed this up. Damn. Yeah, I'm gonna have to go to the store because I screwed this up. Alright, well, yeah, I'll just run to the store and then catch you in a bit.